Okay, next step. So I said I was doing this guy, and you have to take the sheet and measure out these parts and pop out these guys. So I popped them out and I wrote on them what part they are in pencil. And then I took the sheet, hopefully this is visible, and I measured it out as best as I could. And then, so it tells you which number goes for which part. So like B25 goes, it's going to get covered twice. So C11, which is this guy. So I'm going to put that one on one side and fold over the edges. And then, what am I looking at? B25. Alright, now I'm confused. B25. Because the other side, so like one side gets that, and then the other side, I guess, gets C10, which is the one below it. There's two of them. So that should match exactly to go flat on the opposite side, if that makes sense. So you're doing this to fold around the edges in one, sorry about the focus, around the edges in one side, and then you flip it over and glue the other one flush. So that'll be exciting. So that's where I'm at now. I have to cut those out and then start gluing. I will follow up once I get to that point.